If you're looking for healthy cooking oils, these healthy fats make excellent choices. Not only are they appropriate for everyday cooking, but they've been shown to offer health benefits, including lowering heart disease risk and providing protective antioxidants. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which is associated with various health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. It also contains antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help protect cells from damage. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, the least processed form, retains the highest levels of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. However, it's important to avoid overheating olive oil, as excessive heat can degrade its nutrients and produce harmful compounds. 2. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which may help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. It also has a high smoke point, making it suitable for cooking at high temperatures without oxidizing or breaking down. Avocado oil contains various nutrients, including vitamin E and lutein, which have antioxidant properties. It's a versatile oil that can be used for sautéing, frying, and salad dressings. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are metabolized differently than other fats and can provide a quick source of energy. It also contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties. Coconut oil is stable at high temperatures, making it suitable for cooking methods like frying and baking. While coconut oil is high in saturated fats, emerging research suggests that its effects on heart health may be more nuanced than previously thought. Moderation is key, especially for individuals with cardiovascular concerns. 4. Ghee clarified butter. Ghee is made by simmering butter to remove water and milk solids, resulting in a rich, flavorful cooking fat. It has a high smoke point and is suitable for high-heat cooking methods. Ghee is also lactose-free and may be better tolerated by individuals with dairy sensitivities. Ghee contains vitamins A, E, and K, as well as butyric acid, which may have anti-inflammatory effects. It adds a rich, buttery flavor to dishes and is a staple in traditional Indian cuisine. 5. Sesame oil. Sesame oil is rich in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, as well as antioxidants like sesamol and sesaminol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. It has a distinct nutty flavor and is commonly used in Asian cuisine for stir-frying, sautéing, and salad dressings. Sesame oil adds depth of flavor to dishes and can be used in moderation as part of a healthy diet. It's important to choose toasted sesame oil for its robust flavor or cold-pressed sesame oil for its higher nutrient content. These cooking oils offer various health benefits and can be part of a balanced diet when used appropriately. It's important to consider individual dietary preferences, health conditions, and cooking methods when selecting oils for cooking. Additionally, moderation and variety are key principles for promoting overall health and well-being. However, here's a list of oils that are often best to avoid or minimize for cooking due to various factors such as high omega-6 content, processing methods, stability at high temperatures, and potential health risks. Vegetable oil, soybean, corn, canola, sunflower, safflower, cottonseed, etc. Why it's considered bad? 1. High omega-6 fatty acids. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess and not balanced with omega-3 fatty acids, can contribute to inflammation and an increased risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. 2. Trans fats. Some vegetable oils may also contain trans fats, which are formed during the hydrogenation process and used to make oils more solid and stable at room temperature. Trans fats are strongly associated with an elevated risk of heart disease and other adverse health effects. 3. Oxidative stability. Vegetable oils are generally less stable at high temperatures compared to oils like coconut, avocado, or ghee. When heated to high temperatures, they can oxidize and form harmful compounds, including free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to inflammation and disease. 4. GMO concerns. Soybean and corn oils are often derived from genetically modified organisms, GMOs, raising concerns about potential health and environmental impacts. While small amounts of vegetable oils may not pose significant health risks, their widespread use in processed foods and restaurant cooking contributes to excessive consumption in many diets. Lastly, when you choose cooking oils, there are two things to keep in mind. 1. Smoke point. It's best to keep a range of oils in your kitchen for different cooking methods. For example, extra virgin olive oil is a good choice for low to moderate heat cooking, while avocado oil is suitable for higher heat cooking methods like pan frying and roasting. 2. Flavor. Some oils have a more distinctive flavor than others. For example, sesame oil has a rich, nutty taste that pairs well with some recipes but can overpower others. If you'd like a more mild taste, choose avocado oil or olive oil. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for more health content.